In this video I'm going to be breaking down a trade that I took on the 14th of January on gold. So as you can see, Monday gave us a very bearish day with this big sell-off, so I was just looking for a continuation of that. And Asia gave us this bullish retracement leg. As you can see, it left lots of liquidity behind as it didn't really retrace that much or take any lows in this leg, so I'm expecting most of this to get taken, if not all of it. And this is the place I was looking to sell from, with this high here and the 5-minute fair value gap just above it, which makes for a good POI. So I'll just play price on. You can see we come into it here, get a nice bearish reaction away, but I wasn't on the charts at this time. It was 5 AM, so I'm just looking for a retracement into this for it to continue lower. So I get on the charts around here now, around these next few candles. So now what I'm looking for is, I've got on the 3-minute. I'm looking for this high here. So I'm looking for this high to get taken, get our entry model, and then for us to continue lower. Go back on the 5 minutes just to play price on. Okay, I now have a clear draw on liquidity as these relative equal lows. On TradingView, this wick here was much smaller, but you can still class these as relative equal lows. Either way, we've got a big liquidity pull down here, so that's our draw on liquidity. So we wait for our liquidity to get taken. There we go. Now we just look for our entry model. We have a close below this breaker here, so now we just enter on a fair value gap. So you can see that fair value gap there. Again on TradingView, this also had a fair value gap in here. I know you can't see it on FX Replay, but on TradingView there was one there. So I entered on this, stop loss at the high, and then take profit was just our draw on liquidity down there. So place that order, and we'll see how it plays out. So we get entered here. Price plays around at our entry for a bit. Then we get this nice push down. And this is where I go break even after we've closed below this low here. So I'll go break even there. We then continue to the downside. Get quite a bit of consolidation in here, but I'm happy to hold. Bit of a longer trade than normal. But there we go. That's TP. This was a 3.9 RR trade on gold. If I just go on to the 5 minutes to show you, give you a rundown. So we had this high here. Price came in, took this high, respected this 5-minute fair value gap, and as you can see, if you didn't get on the initial push down like me, because I wasn't on the charts, then that's fine. You can get the same entry that I did. As you can see, we break these lows here, so now this is the range that we're trading in. So we're looking for sells anywhere up here. We've got the last point of inducement here, see a bit clear on the 3-minute or the 1 minute. That high there. And then we just get our entry model in there. Any entry model's fine. And just like that, TP. If you have any questions, please let me know.